let's just go ahead and jump right into it. We'll go right over here. You see the green icon with the flying bike. That's the fleet app for Postmates. We'll go ahead and click into here. You'll see here I've made $57.01. That doesn't include that cash tip I was telling you about. But one major thing that I like about Postmates over DoorDash is, look, it says earn $40 for your next 6 deliveries guaranteed between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. today. I think that's definitely doable. That's 1.5 deliveries per hour, which I was getting 2 to 3 per hour. Let's see. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. You could see deliveries. You could kind of see where the deliveries are, and this is what I was telling you about. Like, I made $9.37 off one delivery, $7.34 off another, $4, $9, $5, $6.76 plus the tip. You see that right there on the bottom? That tip. That is the only tip that I got. And then yesterday, I did 2 orders, made about $20-something in about an hour. You can see that right there. So they do have good incentives. I'm making a lot more per hour with Postmates over DoorDash. So that's one reason why I really enjoy it. So let's go back over here. I can't really go online right now because I don't want to do an order, but you can see where I'm located. Like, this is all of Austin, so obviously downtown's really busy. The darker the red. When you're online, this is a lot brighter, the screen, but like, all this area, people are ordering. That's what that means. There's a lot of orders happening in this area. For some reason, I was driving a lot down here in this area today. They kept taking me way outside here, but it gave me those $9 and $8 orders, and so it's really busy up here too, and up here. So if I click this here on the top left, that's what brings me my display screen. Here you could set up your prepaid card. One thing with Postmates is majority of the time you have to pay at the register. Don't leave a tip. The people that are working there don't expect a tip. You could set up your banking information so you can get direct deposits. Here under preferences, you could do automatically accept. There's a lot of little things you could do in the settings. Let's go back over here. And, oops, I don't want to go online. So once you go offline, it says you're getting close to your $350 payday. Only 22 deliveries to hit your goal of 30. So I have 4 days and 6 hours to hit that. I'm 27% of the way there. So that's pretty awesome because it's an incentive. You see that? Active incentive. Now, I don't know if that's a $350 bonus because 30, look, I'm at 8 deliveries with $57. 8 times 5 to get 30. That's $57 times 5. Let's go ahead and figure that out. 57 times 5. That's $285. So I'm not sure if it's going to be $285 plus $350. So that'd be $635. Or if it's I make 200 and whatever that number was. If they're like, oh, well, this is going to be your minimum guarantee is $350 for fulfilling those orders. So if you did $350 divided by 30 deliveries, it's $11.60 per second, 66 cents per minute or hour. Sorry. So that's all useful information. That right there, if that's the case, then I'm actually making less than I was with DoorDash. DoorDash, I was at like $13.25 an hour when it was all said and done. Right now I'm at 57 plus 8 at $65. Let's go back over here. $65. I think it shows me how long I've been driving for somewhere down here. I think it's under view all. Wait for it to load. Okay, so yeah, so 8 deliveries. I haven't done any payouts yet because they charge you 50 cents every time you pay out. So I wouldn't do it every day. I mean, unless you don't really care. I mean, 50 cents is 50 cents. So let's see. So it doesn't really tell me the hours. I would have to figure the hours out. But going based off this is 12, 1. see these are tips, it's going to be really hard to figure it out. Whereas on DoorDash, it'll tell you your hour breakdown that I like. Me, I'm guesstimating that I've driven, or that I've worked about 3.5 to 4 hours. So let's just say 4 hours. That's $12 an hour. So just a little bit more than minimum wage, but what we still are forgetting is gas. And where I'm at is 189 times I have a 16-gallon tank. Gas is $30 for me. So what I just made does fill up my tank, which is good, but I need to drive more than that if I'm actually gonna benefit off of it. So with that being said, I still prefer the DoorDash fleet over the Dasher app. Another little thing real quick before I forget is this Everlance. If you're gonna do this for DoorDash or any like Uber Eats, Lyft, anything where you're using mileage, this is a great app. Right now I've done 137 miles just driving for DoorDash. And I put $17 in gas for work expenses. So this app is really cool. You get the full version for free for a week. But after that, I mean, it's really simple. If you want to start a trip, you just pop this up and start the tracker. You could set a trip, you could get directions, and it tracks all your mileage and gives you a total deduction. So right now it's saying I could deduct $80. I mean, I don't really know how that works, but I'm just using it for the tax purposes at the end of the year. So links and descriptions, everything will be below. I'm using a Rode mic, a little cheap Rode mic for this little walkthrough, and we will do a couple of more, and I will show you the difference why I prefer Postmates over DoorDash in a second video. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what your experiences are with DoorDash, or if there's something better that you think's better, where you make more money. Like, I know they have Favor, and they have a couple of different apps that are similar in different cities. So shoot them at me, send me a link, whatever it is. Let's talk about it. Everything positive here, trying to make money, you know. So go ahead and join up, sign up with my account on the bottom with, actually here, check this out. It'll tell us right here, if I close out and I log in, it'll tell me how much of a referral. So invite your friends up to 150. Okay, so I guess this is for people that are in Austin. Let's find out here. Sorry for the long video. I hope you're getting some knowledge out of it. Okay, so my referral code is that. Share it. Sign up using the code. So you'll be guaranteed to make at least $600 for your first 55 deliveries. And there's no limit to the number of referrals. So your minimum, I think, is like you can expect to be paid $150 after your referee finishes their 55 deliveries. I don't know if this is prorated or not, if you have to complete the 55. I know in DoorDash, if you did like 20, I would still get a little kickback. So once you sign up, then you can get your buddies to sign up. So that kind of gives it like a little MLM, multi-level marketing type deal to it. You know, they want to get more drivers. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, subscribe, like on the bottom. I'll make a separate category for these kind of videos. Also follow me on Instagram. If you like Instagram, I'm a photographer by trade. My Instagram is rawphoto, RAW.